Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to give you another exciting topic, and the topic is how to export as GIF in CapCut PC. So the process will be really simple, and throughout the video I am going to break down step by step process so you can easily make your GIF file on CapCut. So as you can see, we already import a video over here, and this is our clip. I am going to split into between time like lower time, and here I will make sure it will be only 2-second video, and then split it. And now I am going to delete rest of the video, and now you can see our video has been created. And now I will click on export. Once I click over here I will have the option for export video. So I am going to check this out and select 240, and if you are using Pro, then you can do it by click on Pro, and it resolution will be furthermore better than compared to 240p. And here you just need to be change your file as a GIF, and let's upload it. Let's click on export. Once you click over here, GIF exported, open folder. Once I open it, now I am allowed to watch or view this it, and finally you can see that our GIF file has been created. And the process is really simple. You just need to be this process and guideline. I hope this video will be helpful in near future for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.